Watch AI create a personal budget versus actuals dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our budget data. The file uploads instantly. Now, we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI get to work. The system is analyzing our expense categories, comparing budgeted amounts to actual spending, and identifying patterns in our financial data. AI is intelligently designing multiple chart types to visualize budget performance, creating expense distribution analysis, and building comparison views. It's generating tables for detailed breakdowns and outlier detection charts to spot unusual spending patterns. Our personal budget versus actuals dashboard is complete with 5 dynamic charts and 2 summary tables. We can instantly customize the theme and colors. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. This gives us a clean, professional view perfect for sharing budget analysis with stakeholders or reviewing personal financial performance. We can navigate between visualizations seamlessly. Back to edit mode, every element remains fully interactive for deeper exploration. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.